Kumusta kayo? Ito kami lalabas kami mag-iin na 5:30 na dito. Pero maganda pa rin yung araw namin. Mataas yung araw. Ano ngayon? Ngayon ko lang palang sila ilabas. Kasi maghapon sa loob lang ng bahay. Tulog kasi ako, nagtrabaho ko kagabi guys. Sila naglaro ng basketball sa labas. Tapos balik sila sa loob. Lalabas ulit. Ganun lang ang gawa ng dalawa. Kaninang umaga, inutusan ko sila sa shop. Pumunta sila sa shop bumili ng kamatis. Silang dalawa lang. Kaya naman na ni ate. Tapos, diretso sila sa baba pagbalik nila ng bahay. Naglaro sila ng basketball. So, bago ako natulog, nagluto muna ako. Tapos, tulog ako. Nagising ako mga alas 4. Kaya ngayon pa lang kami lalabas. Ngayon ko pa lang sila ilabas. Wala man akong pasok mamayang gabi. Ay okay lang. Mag-scooter lang sila guys. Tinamad ako maglabas ng bisikleta nila. Kasi laking ilabas. Sabi ko mag-scooter na lang sila. Kaya yan, nandun na sila. Dito ako tatawid. Doon na sila tatawid sa may traffic light. Nandun sila, oh. Si ate, tsaka si ate. Mm. 5:30 na dito, pero yung araw namin maganda pa rin. Maliwanag pa rin. Ngayon magdidilim na mga 8:30. Ganun saka pa lang magdidilim. Hi guys! Hi ate! Ate! Hi ading!
Hello!
How is...
Tinder Juicy pare!
Tinder Juicy pare! Ayaw mo naman ng Tinder Juicy. Bumili kami ng Tinder Juicy. Ayaw nila.
Walang sa Tinder Juicy.
Ha?
Walang sa Tinder Juicy.
Walang sarap? Anong walang sarap?
Hindi. Walang Tinder Juicy.
May Tinder Juicy. Ayaw mo naman.
So we don't have it.
Mayroon tayo sa rep, ah.
Do you
Ate,
have
ate.
Tinder Juicy?
May tao sa likod, oh.
Mom, do we have Tinder Juicy?
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought we gave it to Tito.
Give it to Tito.
Yeah.
Hindi, ah. Nasa bahay. Nasa rep. Oh.
I put it on the table when you were at the Indian party.
Indian party.
Yeah, and then I want like Tinder
Ayan.
Juicy pare.
Daling ko lang sila saglit sa isang park. Sa isang park ko sila dadalhin. Para naman maibadid naman.
Hi.
Hello. Sabing hi, hindi man lang tumingin. Ate.
Hindi sana.
Hi. Dali. Bilis.
Walang sa.
Ah,
No point crossing. It's technically the same thing.
that's okay. Malapit ng ano si ading, oh. Hahabol na sa tangkad. Eh, may scooter ka naman. Lol. May scooter ka naman.
Tinder Juicy pare.
Tinder Juicy pare. Tinatawag niya tatay natin ng pare. Pare daw sila. Ano ba yan? Tinder Juicy pare. Tinder Juicy mare. Ay, sos! Naubo pa rin si ate. Kagagaling ko lang ng ubo guys. Kagagaling. Kagagaling. Yeah, you're still coughing. Ate still coughing. Kaya hinay-hinay lang muna. Ilang araw. Hindi naman, lumalabas pa rin ako sa trabaho lang. Pero yung maggala-gala, hindi ako naglalabas kasi yung ubo ko malaman. Minsan, napipiso ako, nadudos ako sa pag-ubo. Kaya, do you think so? Shall we go there or not to? Because it's quite late now, isn't it? Scary teenagers.
Was better.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Why? Do you think we can go this way? Shall we go that way then?
Yeah.
We scrapped the Brooklyn Park and now we're going on an adventure.
Adventure. We're going to the adventure daw. Punta sana kami sa isang park. Ngayon nagbagong isip niya. Sabi niya doon na lang tayo sa isang park. Mas malayo nga lang. Mas malayo pero mas safe. Hindi gaanong maraming teenager. Minsan kasi dito yung mga teenager,
If
guys.
that's the school.
Huh? No, not yet.
Is
Not,
that school?
not yet. No, I think we got to go out this way.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, to where?
No, I don't think that's the school.
I'm pretty sure it is.
No. We just go around. Rowanfield
We'll
School.
just go wherever the wind takes us.
I know. We go with the flow. Go with the flow.
Adventure time.
Good.
I swear we went this route for Halloween.
Yes,
2 years
yes,
ago.
yes, we did. We did. We come here for trick or
Oh, we
treat.
met the 2 friends. Oh yeah, now I know where we are.
Yeah,
I know where we are now.
you don't.
I do.
I think don't.
Well, I know them.
You just know everyone.
I know a lot of people.
And
After
that
that.
juicy.
In the juicy pare,
And that,
pare.
and that juicy pare by Tito Visual actually.
No, I needed this. Oh my gosh.
Huh?
Be in the middle because we're technically walking as like because I was walking but riding rather than technically.
Okay. Kahit na may araw dito, guys, maano pa rin siya, malamig pa rin yung simoy ng hangin. Parang December na hangin lang dyan sa atin. Kaya, mga naka-jumper, mga tao. At syempre, December jumper pa rin ang suot ko. Kasi, di ko naman napawisan to. Kaya suot ko na naman.
Adding.
Yeah.
Do you know how early I went fast? Yeah. Do you know what I said to him?
What did you say?
It's called the adult power.
Oh dear. Uh-oh. May aso. May aso. Tangkad niya ate pag naka-escort. Oh, matangkad siya sa akin, guys. Patay.
I've got a
I look small beside you. I look so short beside you. Ano namang sinasabi mo, pare? Anong sinasabi mo?
I'm not even
My
doing
person looks like they're from the hospital.
Yes. Maybe she's from work.
I think you know them.
Might. I might know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out, diba? Ayan. Hello, madam. Work. Huh?
I'm going.
Are you going? Oh my God. I just done night. I worked last night. I woke up like 4 and then take the kids out.
Oh, okay.
Who's with your
I'm
kids?
working in AMU now. Permanent.
Permanent. Nice. That's good. That's why I don't see you in Ryworth anymore.
I know.
You don't do bank anymore?
I was.
Oh, you have a lot of banks in India.
Yeah.
Kialaman. Marites, pinakialaman tongang.
Mama.
Yeah.
I'm not doing anything, but one's pushing me.
Good. Well, wait until going back home and then you will see. Paakyat. Maganda eh. Hinahangin daw siya. Hindi siya nag... Mamaya pagpabalik, tingnan ko lang. Kasi paakyat to, guys. Parang ano siya. Hindi siya nag... sige, stop. Hindi nila kinikik yung scooter kasi pababa.
No, this is
Mamaya pagpaakyat, tignan ko lang. Come on, cross. Tignan ko lang mamaya kung di sila umangal, mahirap umakyat.
Can we go on the other side?
May nasalubong tayong kakilala sa trabaho. Yeah, go on the other side. Kakilala sa trabaho, papasok daw siya. Anong oras na ba? Mag-alas 6. Ang aga niyang pumasok kasi maglalakad, magkakatch ng bus doon, banda doon. Pero gusto daw muna niyang maglakad. Which is fair enough. Come on, middle. Middle, Dan. fair enough. Maganda kasi pag maglakad ganito guys, hindi mainit. So parang, at hindi maulan. So stroll ka lang, hindi mo namamalayan, nandun ka na pala sa pupuntahan mo. Di ba? Kaya maganda maglakad. Gusto ko rin maglakad ng ganito. At saka kahit hindi naman ganito, kahit may araw, hindi rin naman kainitan. Parang dun sa atin. Kaya okay lang. Carry lang maglakad. Hirap din talaga maglakad. Pero kumain kasi kami ng mga bata. Pagkagising ko, pinakain ko sila ng proper na pagkain. Proper na rice. Kasi tanghali, ang kinain lang nila is sandwich lang. So, pinakain ko sila ng kanin. Pagkatapos namin kumain, pahinga konti. Kaya eto na, nandun na sila, hindi na nila ako hinihintay. Sabi ng isa magbike daw sila. Pero sabi ko wag magbike kasi maglalakad lang ako. Masyadong papalayo ang agwat pag magbike sila. Kung magbike kaming tatlo, okay pa. Pero ayoko magbike. Not today, ganon. Mga nakaraang araw guys, talagang ang tahol ko sobra. Ngayon si ate tumatahol din, nahawa sa akin. Buti si Daniel malakas-lakas yung niya, resistensya niya, hindi man niya nakuha. Tatay din natin galing din ng tahol. Kaya ayan, puro kami tahol sa bahay. Si Ading lang ang hindi tumahol. Hindi na yung dalawa lalaro habang nag-aantay. Ay, gusto na rin puntan tong malayong park eh. Kasi okay lang din para matagtag. Pero kung ganitong oras pag winter, hindi na kami lumalabas pag ganitong oras kasi madilim. Takot ako sa labas dito pag madilim kasi yung mga kabataan dito, may mga ibang kabataan na sobrang mga loko-lokon kabataan. Kaya mahirap silang ilabas-labas pag may ganito. Alam mo, may mga bata. Let's go.
We swap scooters.
I know, I can
Now
see
this
that.
one's weird.
This one's weird. We know how.
Palitan sila ng scooters. Sabihin ng isa weird daw, weird. Eh, ba't kayo nagpalit?
This one's weird.
Shall we?
Every time it goes like this, it tickles my hand, and then it keeps being itchy.
Oh dear, Renee. Let's go quick. 6 o'clock now. Maybe Dada can even pick us up from there. We'll see.
We're so lucky.
Finish at 7, isn't it? So he'll be finishing in an hour time. So by the time we get to the park, it's already 5:45 maybe. So you play a bit.
Maybe for like 5-10 minutes.
Why is it them gonna cut your hair out there? Oh yeah.
Video this.
Wait. Wow. Okay. Wala ka. Shall we go and see Tita Susan?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Sino?
Let's go and knock Tita. Knock to her house.
Sino?
She called me yesterday, but I'm so tired to answer. I'm so tired to call her back. Kasi nagtrabaho nga tayo. Tumawag yung isang kabayan, si Ate Susan.
A lot.
Ha?
She's the one that's taking care of our Logan.
Yeah. Well, not ours anymore. I give it to
Well, not a Logan.
God.
Where does she live?
There? In the corner.
My toes
In
are
the
better.
only world.
Huh?
Mom,
Yes.
does have a
Mummy believes
corner?
13 meters.
Mom, if you think about it, does our pet have a corner?
trivia can you think? For Jikoskosh,
What's a Jikoskosh?
we can give them prize whoever get the answer right.
They will get tender juicy party.
Tinder Juicy Parrot. They don't want Tinder Juicy Parrot.
What's our cousins' names?
What cousin's name? How do they know?
Because we mentioned them in our last video, in one of our videos.
Nah.
They have not. It's one of our shorts.
Let's go to Tita Susan. Let's save someone there. I don't know. Hindi, walang pasabi. Hindi ko alam kung nasa bahay siya. She would know that we're going. So I don't know if she's at home.
What if they're not at home?
Then we're gonna continue to the park. Let's go. Ayan guys, ang bahay ni Ate Susan, oh. Sa brown na bricks. Guys, come across. Cross the road.
There's the car. Marisa.
Belize, there's the car. Go. Huh? Knock the door. Press the bell. Huh? I don't know if she's in. Adding. Ping plong. Hello, nobody there.
You're not allowed to get the
What?
house number.
Walang tao. Let me call her if she's home.
Oh, she's
She's home. Ay, where's Ate Susan? Is she in? Ayan na guys. Napachika-chika na tayo kay Ate Susan. Ngayon is 6:40 na. 6:38. Diretso pa rin tayo sa park guys. Nang sa konti. Ayan,
We found the right path.
We found the right path. Kasi sabi naman matatapos ang tatay natin kahit magpa-pick up na tayo sa park. Oh, diba? Nakapasyal pa tayo kay Ate Susan. Kasi kahapon tumawag siya. Hindi ko nabalikan kasi nga natulog ako. Nagpumasok kagabi, natulog ngayon. Kaya hindi ko nabalikan ng tawag. So ngayon, dahil napadaan kami sa bahay nila, naalala ko, kaya dinaanan namin saglit. Saglit talaga. I think we stayed there for half an hour at least. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ayan. Lapit naman na tayo sa park. Kaya,
Subscribe if you have school tomorrow.
no, we should give them question. What shall we ask? And then we can give them.
What colour was the... No, what was the name of the flower that was in the last video?
That's a good idea. Ano daw pangalan ng bulaklak na nasa video namin nung huli? Okay
What was
pag
the adopted
nasagot-
child's name?
Pag nasagot nyo yung pangalan ng bulaklak,
Oh, okay.
may oo kayo kay ate.
His first name or
I-comment
his
nyo yung
second?
sagot, pangalan ng flowers nung last namin video.
Okay, Mum, it's your turn to ask a question.
Isa lang. Isa lang.
One?
Isa lang, yeah.
Only one trivia.
That means then you have one chance to get
Isa
some
lang.
Gcash. Oh, what is it?
Gikostos.
What does that mean?
Gcash, yeah.
Yeah,
Gikostos.
Gcash.
Only one.
From each person.
Ayan, guys.
You only get one.
Comment down below kung anong sagot
Comment
nyo.
down below.
At bibigyan kayo ng to o ni
Whoever
ate.
comments it first, the actual name, is going to be getting Tikostos.
Gikostos.
Tikostos.
To oo.
Tikostos.
Gikostos to oo.
200.
Yeah, 200. Well done. So, kung alam nyo guys,
Right,
bigay nyo ang sagot.
Actually, the first question is...
Natanong na namin, we already asked. Don't
Wait,
ask
how about
another
my
one.
turn? How about my turn?
No, I
only
said
have
only
one
one question. You can save it for next time. Okay? Ayan na guys. Lapit na kami sa park. See you guys sa park. Dito na kami sa park guys. Narating din namin tong park after how many months? After a year later. Nandito rin kami sa park. Narating din namin. O, ayan. Isang park to. Ibang park pa. Mas malayo-layo konti sa bahay. Pero, ano siya, Malaki rin to. May papunta pa doon. Pwede kang mag-bike o mag-scoot doon banda. Papasok doon. Ito yung dalawa. Inaakyat yung malaking bato. Ayan. Yung dalawa. Si Ago. Si Daniel. Ito ang ano ni ate. Mission daw niya. Akyatin niya yung pool na yan. Mag-slide down pababa. Ate, have you done it? Bye. Go! Yes, please. Ayan na. Si Ading daw gagawa. I thought that's your mission. Anong high? Oh, si Ading daw ang gagawa. Mission ni ate yun. Tapos ngayon sabihin niya takot daw siya. Mataas daw. Sarki ba naman niyang yan pag nabumagsak yan. Di parang ilipanting na hulog. Ha ha ha. Ha, 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 ha. Careful Alaka, halaka. Wow! Whee! Well done. Tap on your back. Isa pa? Wala, parang bata talaga itong babae. Dali tayo. Ay sus, nagkukroll ka naman. Go on. Oh, come on, don't be silly. Come on. What? That's cheating. Dali. Wala.
Honestly, my hands are sweaty.
Oh. Ano ba yan? Dali na.
It's Annie's turn.
Wala kang pagkakahawak ni ate sa bar, oh. Dali na Bilis. Ate's turn, Ading's turn na, dali.
Why is it cut? It should be straight.
Dali na.
Move on for it.
No, it's fine. Ading on the swing. My turn. Push me on the swing. Dalawa tayo. Ito kami ni Ading sa swing. Aray ko, sorry. Hi.
Ate's gonna do it.
Wow. Maarte naman si ate. Diwag. Ayaw mo diwag. Kami na lang ni Ading. Hindi nagawa ni ate doon sa bar.
No, I done that
Yan
no
ang
time.
3 times. Yeah. 3 beses. 3 times.
That no better.
Yeah. Ading, hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. May mga naglalaro dito mga bata ng football. Footballs. Wala naman kami dalang bola. So, ayan, mga bata. Andun sila.
Mom,
Yeah.
every time I pick up it's Mum's turn to do it. I think just in there. But I'm dyan. Ding, ding. Kajang, kajang, kajang.
The tunnel. It's quite scary.
Yeah.
But I can do it. I'm just gonna post that slide. Oh my god, it's quite scary, guys. See? I managed to do it.
On your first try.
Quite scary though. Kakatakot din pala. Oh, sige nga, si ate nga.
Ate, come on!
On my first try, I did it. An ate can't. Oh my days. Hang on and put your leg on the bar. Oh, di, ang arte mo, alis na ako.
Wait, Mama.
Ano?
Watch.
Ano? Watch what? No, that's cheating.
No, just wait.
What are you doing?
Just watch. I know how to do it, but not from up there.
Ay, sus. Ano? No, what are you doing?
Climbing up.
Wala ate, gonna break na oh. Eh, ang baba.
Wait,
Alright, my turn.
I'll actually do it now.
Where? Di nga. From the top, like adding. Yeah. Yeah, well done adding. See? Oh.
Ashley, after hit the chick, what do we do? Hold the top and then swing.
Yeah. Your leg grab the bar. Put your leg around the bar. Arte-arte lang kasi. Ako nga tanda-tanda ako na nakaya ko pa. Oh, go. One last chance.
One last chance.
But I'm starting from this ledge.
That's fine. Hang on the bar. I mean your leg. Put your leg round the bar.
Yes, son.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hold on.
Oh, A.
It's that.
Actually, I'm
Dali.
Dalawa. Tatlo.
Gawin mo, hindi.
I will.
Okay, go. Dali na. Hang on the bar and then put your leg round. Oh my. Oh my.
My hands are literally slippery.
Slippery ka dyan. Nininervyos kaya ano yung kamay nagpapawis. Tungang. Okay, baba ka na.
Okay, I'm going.
Yeah, come on. Hang on like that. Yeah. Set. And put your leg. Yay! Hey! There you go.
Ate,
Ang arte. Arte-arte lang kasi.
Again.
Hang on the middle of the bar like adding, oh. Middle of the bar, then put your leg round. See? Easy peasy lemon squeezy by Tito Bundok. There, that's it. You done it. Congratulations, you really done it.
One more time.
how about me? How about me?
Well done, my boy.
You trying to do?
Hi guys, dito pa kami sa park. Inaantay namin yung tatay namin kasi tapos na siya ng work, alas 7. So dito na lang muna kami. Ang ganda pa ng panahon, oh. Alas 7 pa lang, oh. Alas 7 may araw pa dito. Maaraw pa. Nakahiga ako sa duyan. Ang sarap. Ang gawin na siguro yung tatay natin. Tignan ko daw. Nasaan na siya. Ay, tignan yung dalawa. Ayan. Ayan, na-enjoy na nila mga ganyan. Kaligayahan lang ng mga bata dito. Wow! Magsisisigaw kayo hanggang gusto nyo. Chill lang. Ayan. Saan na ba namin? Ha? What? Full
Just wait. Video.
Yeah, it's on. Careful ate Wow.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Isa pa.
I feel like I'm gonna do a 360. Mom, I feel like I'm gonna do a 360. Yeah.
Oh my, watch, Mum.
Yeah.
Annie's going first.
Okay.
I just started. Watch.
Okay.
Oh, let me start at the same time. Just wait.
Not too high. Don't jump too high, Dan. Dan? That's too high to jump. No. That's too high to jump.
I'm not gonna jump.
Good. I thought you're gonna jump.
I never jump.
Uy! Mga tumang. Tingnan natin kung asan na yung tatay natin, guys. Check natin kung asan na siya sa ating tracker. Hala ka! Uy! Saan na siya? Tandaan. Silipin natin kung asan na ang ating tatay.
I'm hiding that.
Dada will be here soon. Careful. Sige kayo.
I'm tired. Yeah, I'm just gonna go touch the job.
Malapit na sa bahay ang tatay. Tapos punta na siya rito sa park. Mga ano na maglakad. Tama na yung lakad namin yun. Tama na yung lakad namin yun. At least nakapaglakad.
No, there's nothing.
Ayan oh. Tatay natin. Ang tatay natin andun yung pula. Siya yung pula. Ayan oh. Mama Niho. Chik, chik, chik.
It's doing the exact
Ayan.
What's this?
Ala ka. So ayan guys, yung tanong ng mga bata. Tanong ni ate. Anong pangalan ng bulaklak na pinuntahan namin sa last video? So kung alam niyo yung pangalan ng bulaklak na yon, comment nyo lang. May 2 oo kayong gikostos. Okay? See you guys. Thank you. Parang tungit.
I barked.
I heard hello.
I barked inside. I barked inside, Mummy.
I heard too.
Huh?
May mga nagbibisikleta.
Go down the pole, I teach
Ay,
that
may
job.
tawag ata si Dada. Ay, no. Wala ka tumatawag tatay natin.
How are we gonna go in the car with our scooters?
It fits in the boot.
No, it doesn't.
Who said doesn't?
Anna, come on.
Of course it does.
Scary.
Okay, now Mum's gonna be going on this. It's a balancing thing. Okay, 3, 2.
Ale to w tym hotelu, co byliśmy, dobre jedzenie, wiesz? I powiedziałam teraz...
Adding's turn. Mummy, come film. I wanna try. Mummy,
Kurwa, tak żadnie...
come film. I wanna try.
Kurwa, jak to nie tak...
My turn.
Uy! Hindi ko na kaya. Mind that tayo ng ibon. Let's see how many steps Ate can do.
Kolacji, ja mówię, nie, trzeba się...
Come on.
I realize how.
It's quite hard than I thought.
No.
Harder. Wow! Good balance. Harder than I thought.
Nice steps, Ati.
Mind the tae, guys. There's a bird tae there.
Jak tu później wracasz do hotelu, to...
Maganda pang araw, guys. Oh, no? Kita nyo pa yung anino ko, alas 7 na.
Kurwa...
Why small step?
To w ogóle wiesz...
Wow. Okay, 6 steps. Adding turn.
To już trzeba ten...
Mind the... Ganda pa ng araw, no? 1, 2, 3.
Nie, masz styl dryki, musisz kupować.
Wow! My last chance.
Nie, napoje też...
Last turn, ate.
Płacisz przez cały tydzień, a twój numer pokoju zaraz...
Yeah, come on, dali. Hawakan mo to. Wow!
I've done big steps.
Ate, adding.
Have you?
Okay, Mum's last turn and then it's my last turn.
I don't know my last one. Now look up. It's up. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, Mum!
Oh my goodness!
Mum, are you okay?
Tuhod ko, guys. Nadagdagan yung injury ng tuhod ko.
Okay, my turn.
Okay. Just don't go fast. Don't go fast. Just go slow.
Mom, I don't think I can get off.
3, 4. Wow!
Laughing. I don't all the time. Well, that was a sad ending.
Ito na yung tatay namin, guys. Hindi na ako makalakad. Kaya nagpasundo na kami dahil sa nahulog ako sa ano. Katutuwa. Hindi naman, joke lang. Kakalakad naman. Hindi naman yung tuhod ko na injured. Joke lang yan. Pero nahulog talaga ako, hindi yun joke. Nakakatuwa yun ah. Hindi nakakatuwa. Tino, susundan niya kami. Ayan na siya. Hi. Special special pick up.
So now here we are, packing the scooters. Oh, we have school tomorrow. We have to wake up like 6 o'clock or something. Okay.
Mind your head dyan sa scooter.
Darling, for the train.
Now let's follow the
Film ko daw yan, guys. Oh, ayan. Yung kulay daw ng train.
Daddy,
Yes.
Mum fell while doing the
Ay,
tightrope.
pinagyabang pa.
What?
Mum fell while doing the
Nahulog
tightrope.
ako dun sa ano.
She's got a video and she's going to put it in YouTube.
Really?
Yeah.
Good.
Her little accident.
Katawa na pa eh. Okay, that's the...
Mum's probably got a really big bruise.
No, I don't. Di malang kami kay Manang Susan. Di ba timawag di
I need
ko?
tubig.
Mabad na ko niya lihom. Can have tubig when you get home.
I'm just gonna drink
Yung
my
mga puno namin dito guys, pula ang kulay oh. Hindi green. I mean hindi pula yan, brown. Brown ba? Brown
Some of
siya.
them can go into purple, blue. Oh wait, no.
Blue?
No, guys, you're all wrong. It's orange.
It's brown.
It's brown, or I mean purple, or
It's a rainbow.
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 What's up? Hey, did you have fun in the park?
Yeah. I conquered a new fear and saw Mum get hurt. My
Hey.
first time
First time what?
seeing you get hurt. I did like falling on the floor.
No, she did do it 2 times. I saw 2 times.
2 times?
Yeah, when you done a tug of war and then you
Oh
fell.
yeah.
Oh yeah, I
That's
need
the bad one. I hurt my knee there badly. I got to go to the A&E.
hospital.
But this time I just fall like, as in just like nothing.
How did you injure your knee?
Somebody twisted it.
No, because I fall in the tug of war, remember? And
Yeah,
I think
they were pulling the tug of war. It was Mum versus Mum's, and then someone pulled so hard they banged into Mum's knee, and then Mum's knee twisted, and then we had to go to bed at like 11 o'clock or something.
And then I went
And
to A&E.
then Dad dropped Mum, and then Dad had to go back to drop Mum. And then when Mum came home, I heard them, so I went outside of bed and I saw Mum, and she was like, "I'm dying," and we still got the crutch.
I'm dying.
What?
Did I say I'm dying?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Or like you were saying somebody killed me or something.
Okay. Bye-bye na guys. Oh, bye-bye.
We'll see you at the house or we'll
May
see
pakos ko si
Mom
ate.
Don't
Nagpakos
forget.
ko si ate. Ano daw pangalan?
Don't like and subscribe.
Ano daw pangalan ng bulaklak? Dun sa
Smash
last
that
video.
like button.
Smash that subscribe button.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye for now. Bye.